on the Redware Basin, shore of Taihu Lake. Yixing Sunny Furnace Company Limited, located in pottery capital Yixing, based on the Yangtze River Delta, looking at home and abroad, devotes to create an internationally renowned brand in furnace industry. We work hard and keep progressing with embracement and confidence. Our company, founded in 2001, is now affiliated to Jiangsu Hydro Industrial Company. We keep the enterprise tenet: technology guided, quality centered, service first. Engage in the design, manufacture, installation and maintenance of the glass, ceramic kiln, rare earth, Lian kiln, drying equipment of experimental electric stove, non-ferrous melting furnace, water treatment, etc. We have more than 200 employees, more than 40 engineers and professional technicians. Our company has the international department of the domestic department for sales and service. In particular, our international department has an independent import and export qualification. Over years of experience and practice in foreign site installation and debugging, we have grown into a mature overseas installation and debugging team. Our relevant export products, achieving Western CE, SGS, ISO, and other international certifications, have been sold to the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, Australia, India, South Korea, and more than 20 countries and regions around the world, with customers' unanimous praise. Inherit the past and usher in the future. We company will continue adhering to the people-oriented, technical innovation, honest training, and a win-win cooperation spirit of enterprise, unceasingly forging ahead, providing quality products and meticulous service for domestic and foreign customers. Customer first, service top, working hard to your satisfaction is our immutable pursuit. Doing sincerely and creating quality, we firmly believe that developing with friends and keeping win-win cooperation, our future will be a sunny day.